Hello you parents, welcome to Mostly Mom where we talk about products and services related to kids. आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं ऐसी 5 ऐप्स के बारे में जिन्हें डाउनलोड कर आप घर बैठे ही इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं और अपने बच्चों को इंग्लिश सिखा भी सकते हैं। दिस वीडियो इज अ पार्ट 2 ऑफ अ सीरीज हाउ एंड वेयर टू लर्न इंग्लिश फ्रॉम। पहले पार्ट में हमने डिस्कस किया कि कैसे आप अपने छोटे बच्चों को इंग्लिश सिखा सकते हैं, कैसे उन्हें वर्ड्स इंट्रोड्यूस करा सकते हैं और कैसे उनकी यूसेज बता सकते हैं। We also discussed the basic problems that actually some kids face of 5 to 10 years of age, जैसे कि कॉन्फिडेंस ना होना, pronunciation issues या इंग्लिश में अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस ना करना। We have discussed all that in the first part. Just in case you wish to have a look at it, I will link that in I button above and you may go and check it out. इस वीडियो सीरीज के थर्ड पार्ट में I will be discussing 10 English speaking classes that are available online in Indian market and you can enroll your child into to make them learn English. Just in case you are interested in personalized details, please leave a comment below and please leave your email address and I will send you a personalized PDF for the same. Please note that none of the content I will be speaking is a sponsored one. All the content goes to my research work and my experiences with these apps as well as these classes. The first app that I'm going to talk about is Google Bolo. अब Google ने ली है जिम्मेदारी हमें इंग्लिश और हिंदी सिखाने की। I've already spoken a lot about this app in my previous video, 5 educational apps that every parent must have. I will link that video also in the I button above, just in case you wish to check it out. But guys, Google Bolo app is just amazing. It is so easy and it is so user friendly. It is actually app for kids of age 5 to 10 years. जिन बच्चों में कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी होती है, जिन बच्चों को प्रोनाउंसिएशन के इश्यूज है, जिन बच्चों को वोकैबुलरी के इश्यूज है, Google Bolo app is a one-stop solution for all of them. The next on my list is Grammarly app. This app is really investing high with advertisement and most of you people must have heard about it. But for those who do not know about it, it is a keyboard app. This actually works with other texting apps like Instagram, WhatsApp. So how does it work? Basically, when you type something, let's say you are chatting on WhatsApp with somebody and you're typing, the kids' schools are running online. So what will it do? It will actually clear all the grammatical errors, spelling errors, just in case you have. It will also provide antonyms and synonyms for a particular word along with a substitute of that sentence. This way, you can easily learn the substitutes, the antonyms, the synonyms, the grammatical errors and whatnot. Next app I'm going to talk about is AppSpeak. Parents, this is an incredible app that I came across and it is based on conversational language. Initially, the charges are not there, but if you have to use it in the long run, you have to pay the charges. However, every penny spent on this app is really worth it. Because it is based on conversational language, so it sorts most of the problems of Indian kids. Because they know how to write and read English, but they are not really fluent while speaking English. इस ऐप में बहुत सारे virtual assistants और role plays हैं, जैसे कि Carl the developer, Kirby from the coffee shop, Harry the grocer, and many more. So basically, you are learning the conversational language that can actually be used in regular life. The next app on my list is Cake app. This app provides 5-step training program. And you can use this training program to improve your English. Number 1, it will provide you daily expressions to binge on. For example, stop talking can be used as I have heard enough. Number 2, videos. आप वहाँ पर जाकर बहुत सारी वीडियोस देख सकते हैं, उनसे सीख सकते हैं कि कैसे बात करनी है। जैसे कि मैंने एक वीडियो देखी जिसमें एक योगा क्लासेस ज्वाइन की थी एक लड़की ने और वो मुझे बता रही थी कि कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था मेरा। सो ऑब्वियसली दीज काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस हेल्प टू लर्न बेटर एंड एक्चुअली यू कैन यूज ऑल दोज वर्ड्स इन योर डेली लाइफ एज वेल। नंबर 3, वो आपको डेली क्विजेस देते हैं और fill in the blanks देते हैं। What you have to do is you have to fill in the blanks and attend those quizzes and accordingly they will tell that your answer is correct or not correct. Number 4, they will help you with the art of substitution. Art of substitution के बारे में मैंने अपनी पहले वीडियो में बात की है, अगर आपको जानना है तो प्लीज वो वीडियो जाके चेक कीजिए। बट केक ऐप भी आपकी आर्ट ऑफ सब्स्टिट्यूशन में हेल्प करती है, जैसे कि I am busy can also be said that I am all tied up or my schedule is full. सो बेसिकली वो आपको बताएंगे कि कब और कहाँ इस टाइप के फ्रेजेस यूज किए जा सकते हैं। एंड द लास्ट फीचर ऑफ दिस ऐप इज वेयर यू कैन एक्चुअली कॉन्वर्स विद पीपल. Yes, people are available online and you can actually go and talk to them and practice English. The last app on my list is Speak Native. Speak Native is a worldwide app and guys, it is such a wonderful app. ये उन बच्चों के लिए स्पेशली बहुत अच्छी ऐप है जो कोई फॉरेन लैंग्वेज लर्न कर रहे हैं। इंग्लिश आपको फिर भी आप अपने पेरेंट्स से बात कर सकते हैं, आप अपने टीचर से बात कर सकते हैं, आप अपने आसपास बहुत सारे लोगों से बात कर सकते हैं। पर जो बच्चे फॉरेन लैंग्वेज जैसे कि फ्रेंच, जर्मन, जापानीज इस टाइप की लैंग्वेजेस सीख रहे हैं जो किसी से आप डिस्कस नहीं कर सकते, दिस इज एन ऐप टू गॉर्ज ऑन. And especially for those kids who are really reluctant to talk to people and people judging them, so they can actually enroll themselves for English as well. All you need to do is log in this app, choose from 5 levels starting from beginner, going to proficient level, and you are good to go. Because this app is a worldwide app, कोई ना कोई आपको मिल जाता है बात करने के लिए. All you need to do is whenever you have time, whenever you're in mood, just go click on this app and start talking to people and start practicing. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you really like the content that I presented. Just in case this adds value to your life, please hit that subscribe button. Take a moment to share it with other moms so that it helps them too. Please wait for the third part of the series where I will be talking about 10 online classes where you can enroll from and learn English. As of now, take care. Bye-bye.